Had two procrastination issues that I was dealing with this morning. So it does make sense. Great to see you. Thank you. This modern technology we learned to use in the pandemic, it allows us to be together yet apart. So do you have any general questions? Do you want to tell me your circumstances? Do you want me to just speak? Whenever appropriate, I try to provide, besides the counsel, the conversation, the guidance, the steering you in the right direction and avoiding the wrong direction. But we effectuate that with documentation and the template for the full plan. So like just if you're keeping your pants up, you're going to use a belt or you're going to use the suspenders, right? So just we explain by analogy, at least I do. So when we're looking for protection, we don't want the pants to fall down. We use both a belt and suspenders, right? We make sure we double protect. So the plan might be a trust, whether it's for your circumstances, revocable trust or irrevocable trust, a last will and testament. If we properly fund the trust, you'll never need the last will and testament. You might need it in some unfortunate situations, like for example, a sibling passes away and leaves you an asset. A parent passes away and leaves you an asset, or a child, an adult child passes away and leaves you an asset, and it had not been funded into the trust, then you do need the last will and testament. If you buy a piece of property after the trust went into effect and you didn't title it into the name of the trust, you'll need the last will and testament. So a comprehensive plan would give you both trust and a last will and testament, a living will, the document, euphemistically, pull the plug document, living will, healthcare proxy, and a power of attorney. So the healthcare proxy, the power of attorney, the living will are not estate planning documents. Those are advanced directives, and we utilize them to round out the circumstances of life. The only true estate planning documents that I've discussed would be last will and testament and a trust. So that's the overall imprint. Some people want less, some people want more. My position is I give you everything, and then maybe you don't need it, right? So it's use a seatbelt. You're not looking for the car accident, but you're preventing an injury should there be a car accident. So